Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel Strength in English. Today is the fourth session. The adventure of life is to learn. To learn English effectively, Strength in English will help you. Therefore, dear students, learn English and earn knowledge because English is for life. It is merely our sincere efforts to create a virtual platform for effective learning among the students across the globe to acquire adequate knowledge in the English language, since the proficiency in English is a must in all walks of students' life. Therefore, kindly put forth your comments after the session, and then you can like it, and then you can subscribe to this channel, and then you can forward this to your friends, students, teachers, relatives, the students, those who are in need of learning. Students, today you have Unit 4, Present Continuous Questions. First of all, let us see the form. We have positive and question. We have pronouns I, he, she, it, we, you, they. For this, we are using auxiliary verbs, or we can say helping verbs, plus present participle, or we can say verb plus ing. I am doing. Am is the helping verb. Doing is the present participle. I am doing. He is doing. He is working. She is going. It is staying. It is going. Whereas we are doing, we are working, you are going, they are staying, etc. But when we write questions, let us remember the fact we need to understand the format. We need to understand the structure of the question format. First, we write the auxiliary verb. Am I doing? Am I doing? Is he doing? Is she working? Is it going? Are we doing? Are you going? Are they working? Are they staying, etc. So first we need to write the auxiliary verb, then we write the pronouns, and then we write present participle. What are you doing? You can see the picture. What are you doing? First, the word is question word. Second comes the helping verb, then followed by the pronoun, and then present participle. Now let us see the examples. Are you feeling okay? Yes, I'm fine. Thanks. Is it raining? Yes. Take an umbrella. Why are you wearing a coat? It's not cold. What's Paul doing? He is reading the newspaper. What are the children doing? They're watching television. Look, there is Emily. Where is she going? Who are you waiting for? Are you waiting for Zoo? So here we understand, you can see the words already they have been written in bold letters or auxiliary verbs is, whereas you can see present participle, feeling, raining, wearing, doing, reading, watching, doing, going, waiting, and then waiting. You can see that. Accordingly, you need to learn to write, my dear students. Now here we learn to study the word order. As I told you previously, first we write the auxiliary verb, or we can say helping verb, plus subject, Subject can be a pronoun, a name of a person, plus ing, that is present participle, verb plus ing. Here you can see, is he walking today? Is Paul walking today? Where are they going? Where are those people going? So this is how you should write. If you are beginning with a questionary word or interrogative word, we can say what, where, whom, why. First you should write that, and then you should write a questionary word. After that you should write the auxiliary verb, or we can say helping verb, then the subject, then followed by present participle. This is the word order we need to maintain. Second, for example, if someone asks questions, so we need to give the answer. The answer can be in short form. So how to give the answer in short form? So here we are learning. The answer is positive, then we can say yes, I am. The answer is negative, then we can say no, I am not. Same way, the answer is positive, then we can say yes, he is. The answer is negative, then we can say no, he is not. The same way you can write in short form as well. No, he isn't. No, she isn't. No, it isn't. So this way also you can write no, we aren't. No, you aren't. No, they aren't. Are you going now? Yes, I am. Is Paul working today? Yes, he is. Is it raining? No, it isn't. Are your friends staying at a hotel? No, they aren't. They are staying with me. So this is how you need to give the answers. When someone asks the questions, you can give the short answers in a very polite manner. Students, now you all have learned the session. A beautiful lesson you have learned in this session. Now it's time for exercise. Are you ready, students? Yes, very good. Students, now let us proceed. The first one. Look at the pictures and write the questions. Okay, you are given several pictures here. You can look at the picture. Then the words are in jumbled form, and then you have the answer also. Accordingly, you need to frame the question. Okay, so you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 questions you have. Okay, please do it, students. Next, we have look at the pictures and complete the questions, for which you are given the verbs cry, eat, go, laugh, look at, read. Then you have the pictures, then followed by the questions. So you need to fill in the blanks appropriately with the specific, or we can say particular word order. And then here, students, you can see 4.3, make questions from these words. Put the words in the right order. Is Paul working today? For that, you see how the words are put. Is working Paul today? It's a kind of jumbled words. So you need to write a proper question. Is Paul working today? The second sentence you see. Second sentence is also a jumbled word. Okay, the second sentence is also in jumbled words form. What the children are doing. So you need to put in proper word order. First the questionary word, second the helping verb, or we can say auxiliary verb. Then the pronoun or subject we can say, and then followed by verb plus ing or present participle. So this is the way you need to write. So you have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 questions. Students, you have the last one, that is 4.4. Write short answers. Okay, it is according to you. If it is factual, then you can write yes, I am. If it is not, then you can write no, I am not. For example, right now you are learning, so therefore you are not watching TV, not watching television. So therefore you can say, if someone asks the question, are you watching TV? No, I am not. Okay, right now what are you doing? You are learning, you are studying. So therefore here this sentence can never come. Are you watching TV? No, I am not. So this is not a proper sentence. This is not a logical sentence. It's not logically correct. Now let us proceed. Dear students, it is time for checking your answers. Students, you have answers here. You can correct them now. Whatever answers you have written, kindly cross-check it. I am sure all of you have written the answers correctly. Very nice of you. The same time, in case if you have made any mistake, remember that you can always work it on. You can always rectify your mistakes. Mistakes are also part of life. Not to rectify it, not to relearn it. Therefore, making mistakes is not a problem. But what is more important, you need to learn from the mistakes. Thank you, students. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for attending the session and learning. At the same time, we always invite you, we always recommend you to promote this channel to your friends, students, teachers, the people, those who are really in need of learning. So therefore, with what objective we have created the channel, it can be useful for everyone, those who are in need of learning. Thank you so much, students. Kindly put forth your comments. And then if you really like it, you can click the like icon, and then kindly subscribe to this channel, and then kindly forward to your friends, relatives, teachers, and everyone who would like to learn and then enrich their knowledge in English. Thank you, students. God bless everyone.